Question number 3, example number 5. If 3x minus 5y upon 5z plus 3y is equal to x plus 5z upon y minus 5x is equal to y minus z upon x minus z, then show that every ratio is equal to x upon y. Okay, now first I will write here this given 3x minus 5y upon 5z plus 3y is equal to x plus 5z upon y minus 5x is equal to y minus z upon x minus z, or we write here let, okay, is equal to k, or every ratio is equal to, we want x upon y. Now multiplying third ratio, which is third ratio, first, second and third, y minus z upon x minus z. Multiplying third ratio by 5 upon 5. Multiplying third ratio by 5 upon 5. See here 5, 5, 5, 5. So multiplying third ratio by 5 upon 5. Therefore 3x minus 5y upon 5z plus 3y is equal to x plus 5z upon y minus 5x is equal to, see this, 5 into y minus z upon 5 bracket x minus z. Did you understand? 5 upon 5 is equal to every ratio. Therefore, by theorem on equal ratio, by theorem on equal ratios, see here carefully, okay. Now 3x minus 5y plus x plus 5z, see here, plus 5 into y, 5y, plus into minus 5 into z, 5z, this minus and 5z. Same way, denominator 5z plus 3y plus y minus 5x plus 5x plus into minus 5z is equal to every ratio, okay. See this, minus 5y plus 5y cancel, plus 5z minus 5z cancel, here plus 5z minus 5z cancel, minus 5x plus 5x cancel. Therefore 3x plus x, 4x upon 3y plus y, 4y is equal to every ratio. Did you understand? For 4 cancel, x upon y is equal to every ratio. This is our answer.